Hello everyone, welcome back my dear traders. How are you doing? And guys, I'm having an amazing mood today, and yeah, I decided that today we will trade with support and resistance levels, uptrends and downtrends, and other patterns on the market. So if you guessed it right, yes, today we are going to trade using technical analysis, guys. And as usual, use 15-second Japanese candlesticks to analyze the market. Also, guys, I will open deals from 1 to 5 minutes, and of course, everything will be depending on the situation. At the same time, I practice on those situations that I'm good at and I know best because, guys, as a rule, everything is repeated on the market. And so be sure to watch this video till the end. And guys, let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. So we can see that the price has been steadily moving up recently, while there is also resistance level at the top. After touching this level, there was a downward pullback, and at the moment the price moving in the consolidation zone. But guys, at the same time, we see how such a downward pullback no longer occurs. At the same time, we also see that the price has a good potential to increase. That is, the main price lows are getting higher and the price is mostly moving up. At the same time, there is still room to reach the resistance level. This is where I offer that we will open a long position for 3 minutes, guys. It is quite possible that the price will continue to move towards the level, and we will try to earn on this upward movement. Guys, I chose such time with the margin, take into account that the price may continue to move in the consolidation zone, and only then there will be an upward movement. As a rule, guys, this time is quite enough in such situations. I hope that this time it will be enough for us to work on such movement. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. This is our first deal. Join my private channel for free trading signals. Well, guys, it's not bad. As you can see, guys, after a little consolidation, the upward movement continued and we got the profit here. Guys, 3 minutes was just enough for us in this case. Well, this is a good start and we got our first profit, guys. I suggest that we continue our trading, and yeah, let's continue. So we have a support level down here. At the same time, we also see that at the moment the price has approached our level. Confident impossible red candlesticks have formed. At the same time, the price is also starting to go beyond the level at the moment, but in this case, I suggest to open a deal for just 1 minute to go up. Guys, with a high probability that after a confident unidirectional movement, the price will fall into the correction zone. That is, a reaction will occur from the support level. At least a slight upward pullback will occur. Guys, it is on this upward corrective movement that we will try to make money here. As a rule, 1 minute in such situations is totally enough, guys, and so let's wait for the end of our deal. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. Well, my dear traders, that's great. As you can see here, we had a false breakout of the support level. Also, after that, the price fell into the correction zone and there was an upward pullback. I have correctly predicted the further price movement. This situation really worked out well. Guys, I have managed to make money again, so I suggest that we continue our trading session. Okay, here we see that there was a downtrend. There is also support level at the bottom, guys. After the first touch, there was an upward pullback, and after a pullback from a certain point, the price turned around. So at the moment, red candles are forming, and in this situation, I suggest that we will open a short position, guys, for 3 minutes. The price has a great downward potential. The main price highs are getting lower, so this means that the price is more likely to continue moving towards the level. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money, guys. At the same time, you know that I chose such amount in case we have a consolidation zone. So guys, let's wait for the result. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Well, guys, it's not bad. The price continued to move down and we got the profit here, guys. I managed to earn on this movement, and as you can see, 3 minutes was just enough for us. Also, we can see that the price has reached our level, and after a little consolidation at the support level, the price began to go beyond the level, guys. There was also a certain attenuation, that is the price stopped. Guys, if the downward movement continues in the near future, we'll be able to open the next deal here. So guys, red candlesticks are starting to form again. I suggest to open a deal for just 1 minute, guys. We will go down. The support level is currently being broken through. It is on this downward movement that, breaking through the level that we will try to make money here. As a rule, in such situations, 1 minute is also quite enough, guys. I hope that this time we'll have time to earn on this downward movement, and so let's wait for the result. Guys, it's not bad. The price has slowed down a bit, but still the downward movement continued and we got the profit here. Guys, 1 minute was just enough for us. As you can see, the support level has indeed been breached and the price continued to move down. Guys, I have again correctly managed to predict further price movement. These situations work well for themselves, and so guys, let's continue a trading session. So guys, here at the bottom we have a support level. While I also see that at the moment there is a downtrend, the price moving in waves. At the same time, the main price highs are getting lower. That is, the price is mostly moving down, and in this situation, it's just to open a deal for 3 minutes to go down in a downtrend. Guys, it is quite possible that in the near future, the price will continue to move down to the support level. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money. At the same time, I also chose such time of which is 3 minutes. Guys, as you understand, in this situation, the price moves in waves, and even with downward movement, upward pullbacks may occur. So it was with all these movements in mind, I chose such time. But if suddenly the price just continues to move towards the level, it is happening at the moment, then 3 minutes will still be enough for us, guys, and we will have time to make money on this movement. So let's wait for the result. Guys, it's not bad at all. The price has confidently continued to move toward the support level and we got the profit here. 3 minutes was just enough for us. We'll see that after touching the level there was a slight upward pullback, and after the pullback the price turned around again and continued to move down to the support level. Guys, it's quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. Now we will observe the price a little bit here, and if suddenly the price starts to go beyond the level, then we will open a deal to go down. Okay guys, as you can see, a red candle begins to form and it goes beyond the level. So we are opening, guys, a deal to go down for 1 minute. Just at the moment the support level is being broken, it is on this downward movement that to break through the level that we will try to make money. Guys, as a rule, in such situations, 1 minute is totally enough. And perhaps I will get into the most impulsive downward price movement at the very moment of breaking through the level. So let's watch the price, guys, and see how this deal will close. So guys, that's great. The price continued to move down, and as you can see, guys, the support level was indeed broken, and 1 minute here was just enough for us. I've just managed to make money on breaking through the support level, and as you can see, guys, technical analysis really works great. And I was able to correctly predict such situations and work on them. And after all, guys, I have already said many times that similar situations are repeated in the market, and also in most cases, guys, they work about the same way. What we need to do is just to recognize them in time and work on them. Guys, let's continue. So we have a support level down here. We can also see that at the moment the price is approaching our level for the second time in the last 10 minutes. Okay, in this case, I suggest to open a deal for 1 minute. It's going to be short position, guys, because we also see that the price has an excellent downward potential and the price is steadily moving down. This means that the price is more likely to continue moving towards the level, and it's also possible, guys, that it will be broken. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money. I hope that 1 minute will be enough for us here in this case. Just at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond the level. So guys, let's watch the price and wait for the result. Well, my dear traders, it's not bad. The price has really continued to move down and we got the profit here. 1 minute was just enough for us, guys, and in this case they really worked themselves out perfectly. And so let's continue our trading session. So guys, we also have a level of support here. In this case, I suggest that we immediately open 1 minute deal. It's a short position. Guys, as we see that the price currently moving beyond the level, that is after the third convergence of the price with the level, a breakout begins to occur. So guys, you already know that in such situations 1 minute is quite enough. Guys, perhaps I will also get into the massive impulsive downward movement at the very moment of breaking through the level. Just at the moment a confident impulsive red candle has formed. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, that's great. As you can see, the support level has indeed been broken. And guys, I really managed to get into the impulsive downward movement of the price itself, and 1 minute was just enough for us. So guys, that's amazing. We have an amazing result right now, and yeah, this is it. So guys, that's it for today. And guys, as you can see, everything worked out well for me today, and it proves once again that my strategy works. And yeah, it's important to trade and train as much as possible. Guys, never give up. Be sure that you achieve your goal, and you will definitely get positive results. Yes, with some time, but it's totally fine. No one started this path as a pro, so that's totally normal. Just if you have some difficulties in trading, breathe in, breathe out, take some time to rest, calm your mind, because it's super important here in trading, and then go back to it. And don't forget to analyze your profits, analyze your losses, and also guys, don't forget that loss is just a part of any trading. Also guys, I have a closed community where I share my trading signals. These are my trading signals and they're totally for free. So if you want to get them, guys, super easy, just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up to this video, and yeah, leave a comment if you wish. But I will see you guys in the next video, and bye bye.